Congratulations to your new movie,
Thank you.
di ba? So, what inspired you to do this? Itong movie na to? Is it your dream role? Parang
One of the dream roles. Tapos I think yung challenge of really going into that mental universe na nandoon sa ano. And yun nga na parang somehow, parang sabi ko kanina, lahat tayo somehow may triggers of ganitong klaseng darker side natin. Pero syempre as a human being and trying to live responsibly, what if let's try to tap in that mental state ng pagkatao. So I think yun yung pinaka gift and at the same time privilege, and masasabi ko na fun part ng pagiging actor to live in someone else's shoes. So yun, and it's a fictional din siya, pero nandoon niya yung parang nasabi ka ni Direk Mark, yung Seven Deadly Sins. So it's not just party, it's not just something na to really binge. It's something na to really parang dive deeper within our personalities, na parang we should ask ourselves na parang ano ba yung mga nagagawa natin Seven Deadly Sins na we really have to do something about it so that we're not disruptive sa ibang mga tao and sa society.
excited ka to be a clown? Yung mga prosthetics, parang ganyan.
I think parang it's it's every actor's dream to really evolve or shift, and at the same time yun nga, be in someone else's reality na, di ba? Yeah.
Tapos, nandun ka nung winelcome si
Mr. M.
Mr. M.
Yes.
And very ano siya sa'yo Kumbaga, ikaw yung nakikita niyang next Piolo,
Wow.
next Enrique. Anong masasabi mo dun sa mga comment ni Mr. M about you?
Siguro alam naman natin lahat na pagdating sa entertainment industry, si Mr. M talaga, parang when you say Mr. M, kilala talaga siya. I mean, sabi nga nila, he is a star maker. And napakalaking bagay para makita niya ako to be the next big thing. I think being lined up with these great actors, kumbaga I'm so honored to be named as such. Pero syempre I always want to do my own path. And I think that's what I've been doing for the past 15 years sa pagiging actor. Kasi kanya-kanya rin naman yan talaga. Parang laking bagay lang. So super thankful sa binibigay sa akin opportunity and espasyo ng Empress Artist Agency.
You are a great actor. Sino pa yung mga gusto mong mga kasama? Especially female actors that you want to work with.
Madami, super dami, as in.
If you wanna mention some.
I would love to work with these actors na nakikita ko na talagang really love their craft. Sila Catherine Bernardo, tawag dito, sino pa ba? Pero mas marami akong gustong makatrabaho na senior actors.
Tulad
nila Tito Noni Buencamino, Shamin Buencamino, Tito Joel Torre, sila Miss Vilma. Kasi growing up, sila yung nakikita ko na it's not just about your face, it's not just about you being famous, it's really longevity. So parang yun yung masarap na makita. Kung ba, ano yung mga rason ba din sila tumatagal.
Pero you mentioned Catherine. Why Catherine?
Well, I watch parang gusto ko yung pag-break niya ng character na meron siya at career na meron siya for the longest time. Nung ginawa nila yung pelikula nila ni Dolly De Leon, parang wow, you would love to do something challenging. I think yun naman as an actor, not just for your hindi ka lang doon sa safe zone. Yun yung masarap makatrabaho na parang okay, wala siyang idea lang na parang ito lang yung gusto ko gawin. I think yun yung maganda, yung collaborative, yung energy.
Last na lang, Cedric. You're a family man now. So, kamusta being a husband? As father? Not yet? I mean, plans to have baby na ba? You have na, di ba? Kamusta being a father, di ba?
It's always, yung challenge nandiyan siya. Pero always fulfilling after. Parang never ending na nag-evolve as a human being. Lalo na iba yung tinuturo ng pagiging tatay at pagiging merong may asawa. Kasi hindi mo lang sariling time, hindi mo lang sariling space. You have to really more consider it. And I thought malawak na yung puso ko. Mas lumawak pa siya. Dahil, kumbaga, you're caring for someone na rin, your offspring. Kumbaga, na gusto mo na i-introduce siya sa kalalakihan niyang mundo and you would want to lead him and the family to that kind of world na yun.
Thank you, Cedric.